Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Accidental Doctor. Today in this video we are going to talk about another deemed medical college which is a very famous medical college in Maharashtra state. This college is MGM Medical College Aurangabad, also known as Mahatma Gandhi Mission's Medical College Aurangabad. MGM Medical College operates under Mahatma Gandhi Mission Trust and is affiliated with MGM Institute of Health Sciences, which is a deemed to be university in Navi Mumbai and is recognized by NMC. This college was established in the year 1989 and provides 200 seats for the MBBS course, among which 170 seats are for general category and 30 seats are allotted for NRI category. चलिए अब बात करते हैं कट ऑफ के बारे में. सो द कट ऑफ फॉर एमजीएम मेडिकल कॉलेज औरंगाबाद इज 491 मार्क्स. चलिए अब साथ ही में फीस स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में भी बात कर लेते हैं. सो द ट्यूशन फीस फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट्स इज 21 lakhs पर ईयर एंड 45 lakhs per year for NRI category students. So the total tuition fees for the entire MBBS course is 94,50,000 rupees. Deemed medical colleges does not provide any fees reservation like you get in semi-government or private medical colleges for SC or ST students or OBC students. So this type of scholarship is not provided in deemed medical colleges. So every category student has to pay the general category fees, that is 21 lakh rupees per year. The other one-time fee which you have to pay in the first year is library fees, which is rupees 25,000 rupees, laboratory fee which is 25,000 rupees, gymkhana fees is 10,000 rupees, alumni registration fees is 500 rupees, security deposit is 1 lakh rupees which is refundable, and the university eligibility fee is 1,05,000 rupees. So the total amount for the one-time fee is 2,65,500 rupees excluding the tuition fees. Now let's talk about the campus area and the facilities that the college provides. So the campus area is 24 to 25 acres approximately, and deemed medical colleges provide a lot of facilities to their students like library, laboratories, research facilities, sports and recreation facilities, cafeteria, food court, playground and indoor game facility, gymnasium, swimming pool, stadium, cultural and sports event, bank or ATM in campus, Wi-Fi enabled campus, transportation services, etc. Now let's talk about hostels. So there are total 9 girls hostels and 7 boys hostels with single, double, triple and 4-seater rooms, either with attached or common washrooms with AC or non-AC facilities. They provide a bed, study table, chair, wardrobe, access to TV room, Wi-Fi, water cooler, laundry services and 24/7 security. Now let's talk about the hostel fees. So the fees varies from 49,000 to 2.20 lakhs per year excluding the mess charges for girls hostel, and for boys hostel rupees 73,000 rupees to 2.11 lakh rupees per year excluding the mess charges, and the security deposit which you have to pay for the hostel fees is 20,000 rupees. This amount is refundable. This college also offers 25 PG courses and 5 super specialty courses along with BSc programs. In MGM Hospital, there are total 1,100 plus beds along with 1,300 plus patient flow. Guys, if you want to know about our counseling services or want to purchase our internal details plan, so the detailed explanation of how to avail the benefits from our counseling services is provided in a video. So the link of that video I have provided in the description below. You can go and check out that. And if you have any doubts, you can call on this number, and make sure to stay updated by following our page @Accidental Doctor on Instagram, and also subscribe this channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.